If you don't like installing clunky emulators but still want your favorite Android apps on Windows, then this is for you. Let's make your PC and phone work together, seamlessly. Ready to run Android apps on Windows 11 without that old-school emulator lag? Here's the updated 2025 way. First, grab the Amazon App Store from the Microsoft Store. This will quietly install Windows Subsystem for Android or WSA in the background. From there, you can download Android apps directly or sideload APKs if you're feeling adventurous. Just enable developer mode in WSA first. Heads up, WSA's future is up in the air, but it still works for most users. Don't want to install anything extra? Try Phone Link to mirror your Android apps from your phone onto your PC. No emulator, just a simple connection. And if gaming's your thing, Google Play Games for PC lets you play select Android games natively. Like tips like this? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your questions below.